Hello everyone, this is Aiden from KA Reviews, and today we're going to be doing a teardown video of the Lenovo Legion 7i. Now the first thing that you're going to have to do is to shut down the device so that there is not any energy flowing through the motherboard, so that if you were to touch something, you nor the device would be damaged. Then the next thing that you're going to want to do is to remove all the screws from the edges of the bottom panel. Now keep in mind that the 4 top screws are longer than the rest of the screws, so you're going to want to keep those separated from the other ones. Then insert a plastic pry tool into the corner of the device, and then continue around the bottom half of the laptop in between the RGB and the bottom cover. Then you're going to want to flip the device over and insert your plastic pry tool in between the vent and the remaining body of the device. Repeat on both sides. Once you've done that, you can flip the device back over and evenly and gently pry up on the bottom cover. Then to remove the RAM cover, you can pry up on it while pulling off with a gentle and even force. There's your 80 watt-hour battery. There's your RAM with the cover. There's your first solid-state drive. There are your 2 fans connected to the vapor chamber, which are connected to the CPU and GPU. There's your Wi-Fi card and your second solid-state drive slot. And there's your new laptop.